What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to solve and fix snapshot this problem. So open directly your settings of your device, click on apps option here and search for snapshot and click on it like this. So now scroll this list down, click storage option and click on clear cache. And after that you have to back, click add force, stop and click OK. Go to Play Store or App Store and update Snapshot. Here restart your phone and that's all. So don't forget to like and also subscribe and bye.